Hey, Miss Amy. This is video journal number 9 for broadcast writing, and today we're going to discuss about my copywriting checklist, and I have 9 of them on this list. So starting with number 1, brainstorming. Every time I get the topic for the copy I need to write, it's always good to brainstorm around the topic. Number 2, how big the spot is. That's very important for me because I don't want to write something that's like not too long if it was made for like a 10 to 30-second spot, nor I don't want to write something too small if it was made for a 60-second spot. Number 3, make production notes. I do find myself time to time to forget to make the production notes at the very beginning because that's really important if I want to use like a male's voice or a female's voice, or if I want to use sound effects, or I want to use music into my copy. So it's good that I have the list to remind me of make production notes. Number 4, use correct punctuation. That's also another important. Every time I write a copy and when the announcer goes to read my copy, if it's an exclamation point, I want that, the person that's reading it be excited at that point in time. So it's good to use correct punctuation. Number 5, don't use cliches. I do find myself time to time to be using cliches, so it's good now that I have this list. I won't be using cliches when I'm writing copy. Number 6, for radio ads, don't use phone numbers. Just like we learned in your class, phone numbers is not the best way. So use an address. That's the best way to, if you're doing like a radio ad, only for a radio ad, don't use the phone numbers. Just use like an address. It's the best way. Number 7, have a good way to hook in the viewers. I find that's very important because sometimes, when I'm writing, maybe I might forget that it might be boring, but, now that I have this list, it will remind me to make sure I have a good hook at the very beginning because that's a good way to, catch on people's attention so they can listen to the ad. And then these last 2, I took these out of the 10 Commandments for the audio radio thing. So for number 8, avoid TV soundtracks. Just like you told us in class, TV soundtracks might make the viewers think like, oh, it's for, this television show. And then you start talking about something else, and then, the viewers sit here thinking it might be for that TV show, but you're talking about something completely different. So it's good to avoid TV soundtracks. And then number 9, keep humor inbound. That's also important. You don't want to like accidentally offend one of your viewers, so it's good to keep that humor, inbound. And that is my list for copywriting checklists. Thank you.